नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज हम आपको एक ऐसी दुनिया में ले चलेंगे जो विज्ञान और तकनीक के चमत्कारों से भरी हुई है। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि मशीनें कैसे सीखती हैं और इंसानों की तरह सोचने लगती हैं? यह एक अद्भुत प्रक्रिया है जो विज्ञान और गणित के जटिल सिद्धांतों पर आधारित है। यह कोई जादू नहीं है, बल्कि एक शक्तिशाली तकनीक है जिसे डीप लर्निंग कहा जाता है। डीप लर्निंग मशीनों को डेटा से सीखने और खुद को सुधारने की क्षमता प्रदान करता है। इसमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की दुनिया में क्रांति लाने की क्षमता है और यह पहले से ही हमारे जीवन को कई तरह से प्रभावित कर रही है। चाहे वह स्वास्थ्य सेवा हो, शिक्षा हो या फिर मनोरंजन, डीप लर्निंग हर क्षेत्र में अपनी छाप छोड़ रहा है।
Deep learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is transforming the world as we know it. It is enabling machines to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, deep learning is revolutionizing various industries. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves and doctors can predict diseases before they occur.
यह निबंध आपको डीप लर्निंग की आकर्षक दुनिया में ले जाएगा, इसके रहस्यों को उजागर करेगा और हमारे जीवन पर इसके गहरे प्रभाव का पता लगाएगा। हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि कैसे यह तकनीक हमारे भविष्य को आकार दे रही है। चाहे आप एक तकनीकी विशेषज्ञ हो या भविष्य के बारे में उत्सुक हो, डीप लर्निंग को समझना महत्वपूर्ण होता जा रहा है। यह न केवल तकनीकी क्षेत्र में बल्कि हमारे दैनिक जीवन में भी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा रहा है।
This technology is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It is creating new opportunities and challenges that we must navigate. By grasping the fundamentals of deep learning, you'll be better equipped to navigate this exciting technological landscape. Understanding these concepts will empower you to be a part of this technological revolution.
हमारे साथ जुड़ें और डीप लर्निंग को समझने और इसकी परिवर्तनकारी क्षमता का पता लगाने के लिए एक यात्रा पर निकलें। हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि कैसे यह तकनीक हमारे जीवन को बेहतर बना सकती है। इसके बाद हम जटिल अवधारणाओं को आसानी से समझने योग्य भागों में विभाजित करेंगे और आपको इस महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्र में एक मजबूत नींव प्रदान करेंगे। यह यात्रा न केवल ज्ञानवर्धक होगी बल्कि रोमांचक भी होगी।
At its core, deep learning is a powerful type of machine learning that teaches computers to learn by example. Just like a child learns to identify objects by seeing multiple examples, deep learning algorithms learn to recognize patterns and make predictions from vast amounts of data.
Imagine teaching a computer to recognize a cat in an image. Instead of programming explicit rules, we feed a deep learning algorithm with thousands of cat pictures. The algorithm then learns the features and patterns that define a cat, enabling it to identify cats in new unseen images.
This ability to learn from data is what makes deep learning so powerful. Unlike traditional programming, where we explicitly tell the computer what to do, deep learning algorithms can learn complex relationships and patterns on their own, leading to more accurate and robust predictions. Neural networks, the backbone of deep learning, are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They mimic the way our brain processes information, allowing machines to learn from data and make decisions. Just as our brain consists of billions of interconnected neurons, artificial neural networks are composed of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information. These nodes, also known as artificial neurons or perceptrons, work together to solve complex problems.
These networks consist of layers of nodes, an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. Each layer has a specific role in the network's operation, contributing to the overall learning process. The input layer receives the data, the hidden layers process it, and the output layer produces the final result. The hidden layers are where the magic happens, as they transform the input data into something meaningful.
Each connection between nodes has a weight associated with it, representing the strength of the connection. These weights determine how much influence one node has on another, similar to synapses in the human brain. During training, the network adjusts these weights based on the input data, aiming to minimize errors in its predictions. This process is known as backpropagation, where the network learns from its mistakes and improves over time. This process of adjusting weights is analogous to how our brain strengthens or weakens connections between neurons as we learn. Just like practicing a skill, the network gets better with more data and training.
For example, imagine a simple neural network designed to predict whether an email is spam or not. This is a common application of neural networks in everyday technology. The input layer would receive information about the email, such as the sender, subject, and content. These features are then passed through the network for analysis. The hidden layers would then process this information, and the output layer would produce a probability score indicating whether the email is spam. This score helps in making a final decision, ensuring that your inbox stays clean and relevant.
Section 4. Diving deeper. A closer look at neural networks. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of neural networks, delving into their inner workings and understanding how they learn from data. न्यूरल नेटवर्क कैसे सीखते हैं, ये समझने के लिए आइए उनके आंतरिक कामकाज के बारे में थोड़ा और जानें। Neural networks are composed of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information in a way that mimics the human brain. एक छिपी हुई परत में प्रत्येक नोड पिछली परत से इनपुट प्राप्त करता है, एक साधारण गणितीय ऑपरेशन करता है, और फिर परिणाम को अगली परत पर भेजता है। This process is repeated across multiple layers, allowing the network to learn increasingly complex features of the data.
तो यहाँ हम किस तरह के गणितीय ऑपरेशन की बात कर रहे हैं? These operations are fundamental to the network's ability to learn and make predictions.
This mathematical operation typically involves multiplying each input value by its corresponding weight, summing the results, and then applying an activation function. The weights are crucial as they determine the importance of each input in the final output. The activation function introduces nonlinearity into the network, allowing it to learn complex relationships between inputs and outputs. Without this nonlinearity, the network would be limited to learning only linear relationships, which are often insufficient for real-world tasks.
यह दिलचस्प लग रहा है. The way these networks can adapt and improve over time is truly fascinating. ट्रेनिंग के दौरान नेटवर्क वास्तव में कैसे सीखता है? How does it adjust itself to improve its performance?
During training, the network adjusts its weights through a process called backpropagation. This is a critical step in the learning process. This involves calculating the error between the network's prediction and the actual target value, and then propagating this error back through the network to adjust the weights. By doing so, the network learns to minimize the error over time. By iteratively adjusting the weights through backpropagation, the network gradually improves its accuracy in making predictions. This iterative process is repeated many times, often requiring significant computational resources.
तो सीखने की प्रक्रिया तब तक जारी रहती है जब तक कि नेटवर्क प्रदर्शन के संतोषजनक स्तर को प्राप्त नहीं कर लेता. The network continues to learn and refine its predictions until it reaches a satisfactory level of performance.
Exactly. This process of learning and adjustment is what makes neural networks so powerful and versatile. This intricate interplay of interconnected nodes, weighted connections, activation functions, and backpropagation allows neural networks to learn complex patterns from data and make accurate predictions on unseen examples. The ability to generalize from training data to new unseen data is what makes neural networks particularly valuable in a wide range of applications, from image recognition to natural language processing. Section 5. Convolutional Neural Networks, Making Sense of Images. जबकि पारंपरिक न्यूरल नेटवर्क विभिन्न स्वरूपों में डेटा को संसाधित कर सकते हैं, कॉन्वोल्यूशनल न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स और CNNs छवि पहचान कार्यों में उत्कृष्ट हैं। जानवरों के दृश्य प्रांतस्था से प्रेरित होकर CNN छवियों से सुविधाओं को निकालने के लिए विशेष परतों का उपयोग करते हैं।
These layers, called convolutional layers, apply filters to the input image to detect patterns like edges, corners, and textures. By stacking multiple convolutional layers, CNNs can learn increasingly complex features, enabling them to recognize objects within images.
For instance, in a CNN trained to recognize handwritten digits, the first convolutional layer might detect simple edges and curves. Subsequent layers might then combine these features to recognize loops and lines, eventually leading to the identification of complete digits.
This hierarchical feature extraction makes CNNs highly effective in image classification, object detection, and other computer vision tasks. They power applications like facial recognition software, self-driving cars, and medical image analysis.
यह उन्हें टेक्स्ट, स्पीच और टाइम सीरीज जैसे अनुक्रमिक डेटा को संभालने के लिए आदर्श बनाता है। पारंपरिक न्यूरल नेटवर्क के विपरीत, जो डेटा को स्वतंत्र रूप से संसाधित करते हैं, रिकरेंट न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स और RNNs में पिछली जानकारी को याद रखने और अपने वर्तमान आउटपुट को प्रभावित करने के लिए इसका उपयोग करने की अनूठी क्षमता होती है। Section 6. Recurrent Neural Networks. Navigating the World of Sequences.
RNNs आवर्ती कनेक्शन के माध्यम से इस मेमोरी क्षमता को प्राप्त करते हैं, जो सूचना को नेटवर्क में वापस प्रवाहित करने की अनुमति देते हैं। प्रत्येक समय कदम पर एक RNN एक इनपुट और अपने पिछले छिपे हुए राज्य को प्राप्त करता है, जो अतीत से जानकारी रखता है। यह नेटवर्क को समय के साथ निर्भरता और पैटर्न को पकड़ने में सक्षम बनाता है।
For example, in language translation, an RNN can process each word in the input sentence sequentially, using its memory of previous words to accurately predict the next word in the translated sentence.
This ability to model sequences makes RNNs suitable for applications like natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine translation.